Daddy,
and
Kittens!
Hi! Today we'll make face emoji brooches. To make face emoji brooches, we need safety pins. We need pencil. We need bottle caps. We need black pen. We need black marker. We need color pencils. We need pencil sharpener just in case. We need white sticky tape. We need scissors. Don't forget, you cannot use these scissors if your parents are not around. We need tough color papers. We need double-sided sticky tape. And we need hot glue. Don't forget, you cannot use the hot glue if your parents are not around. Guys, are you ready? Go! How are you? Angry. How are you?
I'm shy.
Shy. I'm sad. How are you?
I'm sleepy.
Sleepy. How are you?
Happy.
Happy.
How are you?
I'm good.
Good.
How are you?
I'm you.
Oh. Ew. How are you?
I got.
Oh, cold.
Sponsored by IQ English.